Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today, we're getting back on an old favorite, the Jolly Hauler. And look what we have to put on it here. BBK grip rear suspension. I bet you that's not going to fall apart in 200 miles. I doubt. I really don't think it will. But we have Bryson, who is going to end up getting this car. Bryson, when are you getting your permit?
I get it in 2 days.
2 days. So by the time this video comes out, you're going to be a driver on the road. So we also have Delbert here. Thank you for coming, Delbert.
You're welcome.
So we are going to get on the Midnight Express. Did I call this the Jolly Hauler?
You did.
I did. Oh my gosh.
Take two.
I need mental help. But we're going to get back on the Midnight Express. We're going to get this thing ready because this is going to be Bryson's first car. And the deal I have made with him is he is going to help fix it up. And if he can keep it in as good a shape as it's in, no dents, no tickets, no doing anything stupid until he turns 18, then we're going to put a good paint job on this thing, and then we'll sign the title over to him, and it will be his to have. Are you excited for that?
Yeah, but are you saying I can't go like 200 miles down the road? Is that dangerous?
You can drive 200 miles, you just can't go 200 miles an hour.
You can drive 200 miles, you just can't do it in an hour. Okay? You stick with the speed limit.
I'll try.
Okay. All right, so let's get this thing up in the air, and let's get this BBK suspension underneath. Not sponsored, by the way. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, SDT, Street Dirt Track. You do not want this.
Look at that.
These have less than 200 miles on the bushings. Less than 200 miles. That one is right there. And the company would not warranty them. So yeah, that was my eBay nightmare. But we now have BBK in the house under the Mustang. Going to go update the tag tomorrow, and we'll take you on a test drive. Delbert,
Yes, sir.
thank you
You're welcome.
so much. You gave me a break and got under there and wrenched on that thing.
You got half of it done, and then I went under there and just loosened the other 8 bolts, and that was, or 4 bolts, and that was it. So.
Well, for those who don't know, I've got a little bit of claustrophobia. That's why I hate working under a car. And let me tell you, it kicked in a couple of times today.
Yes, it did. Sure
Well,
did.
Bryson, are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll end off this video with me and you taking it for a test drive, okay?
Okay.
All right, so, Delbert, thank you again, buddy.
Anytime.
All right.
I love wrenching once in a while. I don't have anything. All my stuff's new, so I don't have anything to wrench on.
Oh.
So.
Well,
Plenty here.
we may gang up on this frame here for a little bit and see what we can get done on it, but I don't know. I'm tired. But well, we'll let everybody go for the moment, and we'll get on that test drive as soon as we can. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to have to put off painting Mr. Jim's frame once again, and I'm going to show you why. You see the dark spots on the floor? That is humidity. I do not have a insulated shop. So I am at the whims of the weather. So I was going to get the frame ready and get it painted this evening, but as much humidity is in here, painting a black will cause it to blush, which means it's going to have gray spots in it, and we don't want that. So, once again, we're put off, but we will get it done. But we have the Corvette's engine sitting here. It is getting close to ready to paint. I just got to get it cleaned up. We got the new gaskets put on, timing chain, pan, everything looked good inside. I got the harmonic balancer painted up. Got the timing mark painted. That looks good. I'm going to paint this back the original blue that it come with in that year model. I know I wouldn't be getting booed about that, but I want to try and make it as original as possible. And we're about to take the Mustang for a test drive. So, let's get back on that one. Alrighty. Let's see if what we did gets this thing to working. Alrighty, Bryson, you ready?
Yep.
Oh, smooth. Straight as an arrow. I think it did it. I don't know if y'all can hear this through the video or not, but those tailpipes sticking out the sides, it sounds like a wind chime. The rock's hitting the tailpipes. You can't go too far. I didn't put enough gas in this thing. Oh, that is so much better. Taking a little ways down this paved road, so we're not listening to that clang clang ting tang tang tong tong. Sounds like you dropped your silverware drawer.
Sounds like you dropped one of those springs.
Oh yeah, there is absolutely no jerk, no yank, nothing anymore. Every bit of it was in those daggone trailing arms. Every bit of it.
Yeah, I guess that would be a good idea.
You're getting your pretty hot little car here, dude. Alrighty. Midnight Express is back on the road. We're going to slap the tail lights and headlights back in it. And Bryson will be getting his permit tomorrow. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. Heaven help us in Oklahoma. There's going to be another maniac on the road. So, if you see the Midnight Express out on the road with Santa's Workshop on the back glass, you might want to hit the bar ditch. Nah, just honk the horn and wave at him. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed seeing the Midnight Express again. I'm sure glad to have Bryson in his shop with me, working with me. And old Delbert, good fella, glad to have him here. He's welcome anytime. So, y'all keep safe. We'll see you next time on Santa's Workshop.